Hey everybody, it's John. I wanted to go over some of the packages that we offer for pay-per-click AdWords. We did a video recently about Boomtown and what they charge, anywhere from $1,700 to $3,250 a month, depending on what package you get. So I just wanted, and I mentioned we have like 5 packages that are cheaper than their monthly, and we actually do. These are all different packages that we have. And this is just the admin cost that we charge. This does not include ad spend, but ad spend is up to you. We don't tell you how much you have to spend. Of course, the more the higher level package that you get, the more we would want you to spend because there's more bang for the buck when you do it that way. But we have people who are using the small traffic plan. One guy that was actually 2 weeks from closing his doors, and he's actually doing pretty well. He's still struggling, don't get me wrong, but he's done enough money to where he's come back to us to fix his website. He's done quite a few things as far as other kind of marketing for his business. Bought some stuff for his truck, that way he can market, when he's driving around. The problem he had, and we've been walking him around, is that he was billing wrong. He was doing a lot of stuff up front, and the people weren't paying. So, we kind of had to coach him on that. Hey, you can't do that. But he's had great success even using our basic plan. He's also running an SEO campaign along with this that's actually doing very well. But he's doing really well with his pay-per-clicks. And, he's in a depressed economy where nobody's selling anything. He's a foreign guy, and he's actually kicking butt with it. And then there's other packages, and there's different things with each one of these packages and different stuff that you get along with them. The one that I would say would probably give you as much as Boomtown, let me see, where would it start? Probably at this one. And this one's actually incorrect. This has just went up. This is $469. This is an old thing. So that would be a $469. But you get everything that Boomtown's going to give you. You're going to get search network, display ad, and banner ads. And these are all different types of ads. Search network is your basic where somebody's searching for you. And here are your display ads where you're going to be on sites and banners and things of that nature. So we offer that for $469. It's one of the ones. There's another one up. This one actually gives you Facebook retargeting, which I'm sure Boomtown doesn't do. And that's an advanced thing that we don't want to get into right now. But there is a way to remarket and retarget to Facebook. Some people out there that's probably going to watch this actually know what I'm talking about. 1 or 2 of you. But, so I just wanted to look at the plans. Now, what we would be doing is we'd be driving to a landing page and or a website. That's an additional charge for a landing page. Didn't want to say up here, this is the first month because this is the setup and get everything running. Because if you see, we do a one-time setup here. If people just want us to set it up for them because they don't know how to do it and they want to run it on their own, we charge that. And here's a charge for each one of these plans, and then you see the monthly goes down on the second month because we stopped doing the setup and the admin and everything else that needs to be done, because each one of these as you go up has to do a little more admin and a little more things associated with it. But after the first month, here's what you would pay, and actually that's, for example, $469, $279, $219, depending on what package you'd look at. And they go all the way up to this, and they do all kinds of other crazy things. I don't want to go into everything they go to. Different search engines they actually will get. This one actually does Bing and Google as well. So, there's a lot to be said for this and what we offer. And if you have any questions, let me know. I know a couple of people were asking us, well, what kind of packages can you put together for us? And, what's the cost? So this is kind of basically a cost of setup and running, not ad spend. Ad spend would be dependent on you. We'd go in and look at, should you have more search network, a little bit of display network, on this one, how much banner ads, it's all percentage that's going to be done of that total monthly spend. And it can be adjusted to make sure that, okay, if this is doing better than this, we'll up this, do those kind of things. Anyway, if you have any kind of questions about this is pay-per-click, basically our Google AdWords packages. We're here to answer any question you have. So have a good one.